Welcome, dear friends. With the blessings of all Reiki Ascended Masters and the divine love of Reiki, and calling the presence of Archangel Michael during our session, I'm going to channel the most powerful Reiki energies for each one of you. Set your intentions as we are going to clear and close all energy leaks which are present in your body, which are pulling you down and not letting you stay in your most sacred power. I'll be using this powerful red garnet crystal to help you clear and remove any or all such energy from your energy field, and also scanning your aura. This crystal is very powerful. Set your intentions where you are feeling your energy leaks. Is it in your physical body? Is it in your emotional body? Or are you feeling in your mental body any kind of demotivation, anxiety, stress, or unhappiness? Are all the signs of the presence of other people's negative and toxic energy in your aura? I'm using powerful Reiki symbols to shield and protect your aura, to make it sure that from today all the leaks are closed and firming up your energy field and connecting to spirit guides and your ancestors. And the blessings of Archangel Michael is going to protect you, to help you clear and remove other people's energy. Feel all the leaks are now closed. As we are now closing the session, gently feel there is a shift. There is a shift. Take a deep cleansing breath in and gently exhale out. Thank you for watching. I'm Sheetal, Love and Light.